Hello, amazing puzzle solvers! Welcome to Playtime Puzzles.
Can you find 20 hidden birds? Only 1% can spot the expert level. Ready? Let's fly! I love to copy what you say and wear colorful feathers. It's a parrot! Look at my giant, colorful beak. I love eating fruit. That's right, it's a toucan. I am pink, and I love standing on just one leg. It's the fabulous flamingo. I am tiny and flap my wings super fast to drink nectar. Zoom, it's a hummingbird. When I open my tail, it looks like 100 eyes watching you. Beautiful, it's a peacock. I am the biggest parrot in the jungle with a very long tail. It's a majestic macaw. I have a cool yellow crest on my head that goes up and down. Hello, cockatoo! I am a master of fishing with my sharp, pointy beak. Splash! It's a kingfisher! It looks like I have a horn on top of my beak. It's the unique hornbill. I do the fanciest dance in the forest to show off my feathers. A bird of paradise. Great job, explorer! Click subscribe now to join our next jungle quest. Ready for the hard levels? I can't fly, I have a helmet, and I am related to dinosaurs. Careful, it's a cassowary. I am the strongest eagle, and I eat monkeys for breakfast. The mighty harpy eagle. My green tail is super long, and I was sacred to ancient people. It's the resplendent Quetzal. I am a pigeon, but I wear a beautiful blue lace crown. It's a Victoria-crowned pigeon. My bright orange head looks like a half-moon disc. It's the Andean cock of the rock. My beak looks like a giant shoe, and I stand very still. It's the scary Shoebill Stork. I am the ghost of the forest. I look just like a tree stump. Spooky! It's a potu bird. I'm a heavy parrot that acts like an owl and cannot fly. It's the rare kakapo. I have a punk rock crest, and babies have claws on their wings. It's the Hotson. I am the king of the birds with a shaggy brown mane. The majestic Philippine eagle. Thanks for playing. See you next time for more Playtime Puzzles.